What's going on, everybody? Your boy Dickey here. And if you were in Toronto last week, you'd have seen that the city was a giant ice rink. It was citywide. We were in the midst of an ice storm. A lot of people lost power, a lot of people lost heat, trees fell down, it was chaos everywhere, but everybody managed to pull through. Most of the city's power is back. I'm one of the lucky ones where my street was unaffected and we managed to have heat and power through the whole thing, but a lot of people had to go without power and heat. But thankfully most of the city is up and running again. Most of our public transit made it through okay, and you know what, as much chaos as there was, it was actually pretty cool to look at, and I caught some footage of the day after and just wanted to share it with you guys. So let's get to it, and until next time, this is your boy Dickey signing off. Peace.